Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix locked Snapchat account. First of all, go to your Safari app and then go to help.snapchat.com or Snapchat support, and then go ahead and go to my account is locked. After that, go ahead and read the reason for the lock. And then remove any third-party apps. Now after that, you're going to reset your password and then wait for 24 hours and then try logging in again. Safety tip: never use hacks or score boosters, they can cause locks. Quick fix: submit a support ticket. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.